My family remodeled our kitchen last year. We knocked down walls, got new cabinets, countertops, everything. As anyone who's done it knows, kitchen remodels or building a home can be stressful. But the one thing that made our project significantly easier was our experience with our Home Depot designer and Thomasville Cabinetry. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to get high-quality cabinets, look no further than Thomasville Quickship. We'll simplify your project by providing a stress-free planning experience and quick delivery. Available in our most popular door styles and finishes, Thomasville Quickship also features high-quality details like our sturdy pure strength construction, free premium finishes, and soft close doors and drawers. Thomasville Quickship cabinets now offer even more customization and organization solutions, so you can create a unique space that fits your life. Creating your dream space is easier than ever. Simply choose the door style you love, then select the finish that brings it to life. Thomasville Quickship cabinets ship nationwide to your home or job site in just 15 days, helping you complete your project sooner. If time is of the essence and you need value and speed, our best-selling shaker-style door and most popular finishes ship even faster in just 5 days or less. These top styles also include all plywood construction and competitive pricing, making your project a breeze. At Thomasville, we are here to take the guesswork out and make creating your dream space easier than ever before. When speed, price, and quality matter most, choose Thomasville Quickship.